Hey guys, it's Chantel. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I have a tender biscuit with cheese. I have some baked fries with ranch, and of course, baby Dr. Pepper. I had it in the freezer, so it's gonna be good. This biscuit is like falling apart. I don't even think I can pick it up without it falling. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to get a thumbnail. All right, good enough. Let's get a fry. I left them in there a little bit longer, but I feel like they weren't done. But I don't mind them. They're not burnt to me. Just crispy. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing good. About to be a heat wave this weekend. I said 95 to 105. So I'm not looking forward to that. I really got to invest in getting a kasori, because I don't really want to air fry it again. I didn't like it, but maybe I'll buy one and try it again, but it's gonna be too hot to cook in the summer, which means it'll be takeout a lot. Which I'm trying to cut down on it, but if you don't put the oven on, like if you put the oven on, it's just miserable. So, or we're just gonna put cold meals like salads, sandwiches, things like that. Like things you can make on the stove only or in a toaster oven versus turn the oven on. So just have to get creative. All right, let's get a bite of this. Oh, this is just coming apart. Biscuit. Maybe dry, but it's still good. I just wish it wasn't falling apart. Guys, I went to Party City to get some balloons, and when I got there, it was like 5 minutes till 10. So there's a lady waiting outside, because I got out of the car maybe like a minute or two before 10. And she's like on the phone with someone, and she's like, oh my gosh, my job depends on these balloons. She's like, I hope they have the ones I want or something like that. So all of a sudden I turn around, it's like a guy over here, a girl, like it's just like at least five people. And there's a lady like stretching on the wall. And then the lady goes, what time do they open? She's like, well, I think 10. She's like, well, it's 10:01. So we're waiting. So the guy comes over and the girl's like first in line to the balloons. I'm behind her. I look back, there's like all the people want balloons. So I'm like, okay. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't know what balloons I want. And I'm like, not gonna get out of line. They want you to be ready. They're like, you know, ready to go. So the girl in front of me gets like, she gets like whatever balloons, and then she gets like 3, it's like regular blue balloons. I'm like, oh, okay, yeah. So I'm like, I'm gonna get 3 too. So while we're in line, this guy walks up past the line. He's like, this is my first time here. How does it work? And then he's like, you pick a balloon, you pay for it, and then we blow it up for you. And he's like, well, do you think I could pick it up tomorrow? She's like, yes. So there's even more people coming. And some of these people already have the pickup. They just have to pay for it. So there's 2 people blowing balloons up and 1 person taking the money. So same guy was looking for graduation balloons or whatever. They're like, anything we have. Will be on whatever aisle. Here he comes back again. So one of the ladies blowing the balloon, she's like, you switch with me, I'll go help him. Because, oh, before that, the girl comes over to ask the other lady, he wants a balloon we don't have. I'm sorry, so how is he gonna get it then? I'm like, well, I was just wondering if another part of the city has it. She's like, she goes, sir, to be honest with you, we probably would have like the biggest selection because there's not that many party cities around. And she goes, most likely they won't have them because it's like the graduation's been going on, you know? They only going to order so much stuff. So she's like, if you want, you can call them. And see if they have it. And so in the meantime, like I said, 2 people are blowing the balloons. The girls first. She had 6 balloons, I believe. I had 3, person behind me. But here's the funny part. We all had the same colors. So when they were like, when the one associate brought it up, he's like looking, she goes, no, that's the first lady, this is the second one, and then the guy behind me, he was the third one. So I just thought it was funny how we all have the same colors. So that's when the lady was like, that's when she was like, here, you switch with me, you blow balloons, I will help the customer who has all the questions. At that point, I couldn't help it. I started laughing because it was just like, they have limited stock of those graduation items. They're not going to have a lot. And that's what she's trying to tell them. That's not something to keep ordering and ordering. Once it's sold out, it's just sold out. So then, like I said, one person's blowing balloons up. The girl has switched to help the guy, so the other girl's there. She starts blowing up the balloons. And then she walks away because she has to ring up customers. So then she says, oh, these balloons are for her, pointing to me. And the girl in front of me goes, well, wait, those are mine. I have 6 balloons total. And so then the guy looks at her. No, the guy looks at the associate, and then she just like keeps walking. So the girl looks at me and we just like laugh because we're like, how did they get confused? They literally were in order. So the guy that was actually blowing up her balloons just gave me 3 of hers. And I was like, oh my God. We were just like looking at each other like, how did the balloons get messed up? They were in order. The guy was doing hers, the girl's supposed to be doing mine, but somehow she blew up the girls. It was just weird. And I was just like, oh my God. So I kind of just took them because it was just weird how, I don't know, it was just weird. So we just looked at each other and I ran out. I was like, what the heck is happening? I just don't understand how her order would not be done before mine. Granted, she had 3 more balloons than mine, but why wouldn't you finish her order first, then mine? It's first come, first serve. Obviously, if she wanted 20 balloons, I'm sure they would have said, ma'am, it's going to be, you know, a 30-minute wait, or it's going to be something. It was 6 balloons. I had 3. I think the guy behind me had like 3. So I don't know what was happening at Party City. Originally, I went to Dollar Tree, but they still have helium. So that was a blank trip. I'm done. That's it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.